Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear students. Hope you all are fine. Class Pre-9 Subject Computer Chapter number 2 Binary System. Our today's topic is Memory and Data Storage. Memory and Data Storage. What is memory? Computer memory is any physical device capable of storing data. Types of memory. There are two types of memory, volatile memory and non-volatile memory. Volatile memory. Volatile memory, also known as primary storage, a device which can hold data as long as it has power supply connected, is called volatile memory. Example of volatile memory is RAM, random access memory. Non-volatile memory. Non-volatile memory, also known as secondary storage, a device which can hold data even if it is not connected to any power supply, any power source, is called non-volatile memory. Non-volatile memory can store data without connecting to any power source. For example, hard drives, flash drives, memory cards are non-volatile memory storage devices. Volatile versus non-volatile memory. Data representation in computer memory. Digital computers can store data in binary form. It means that whether it is a text, picture, movie, or some application, it is stored in computer's memory in the form of zeros and ones. All the characters on the keyboard has an associated code in binary. This code is called ASCII code of the character. ASCII code stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. ASCII code is the most widely used coding scheme to represent data. In the picture, the symbols are shown with their decimal and the binary codes. These symbols are the characters on the keyboard. Here are the alphabets with their decimal and binary codes. Next topic is storage device. Any computing hardware that is used for storing, porting, and extracting data is called a storage device. It means that storage device can store and also can extract data. It can store information both temporarily and permanently. It can be internal or external to a computer. An external storage device is a plug and play device. Simple, we just plug it to some port and start using it without turning off a computer. No need to turn off the computer. To attach an internal storage device like RAM or hard disk, we need to turn off the computer. These devices are connected to some fixed slots. Examples of storage devices. The primary storage devices are RAM and ROM, and the secondary storage devices are hard disk, pen drive, floppy disk, secure digital card, compact disk, zip disk, PC card, etc. The difference between memory and storage. What is the difference between the memory and the storage? Let's have a look. Memory, place where an application loads its data while during processing. Usually the place where data is stored for long or short time. Storage is the place where data is stored for short or long time. Memory, temporary storage device. Memory is a temporary storage device while the storage is a permanent storage device. Memory is lesser in size and storage is greater in size. Memory has high accessing speed and storage has lesser accessing speed. Memory is also called primary memory and the storage is also called secondary memory. Dear students, this was our today's lecture. Hope you understand. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.